Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking a high-contrast photo so the subject stands out. That makes automatic removal far more accurate. Open the image in your editor or upload it to a removal tool and make sure it's at least 2,000 pixels wide when possible for clean edges. Next, quickly scan for hair, transparent fabrics, or motion blur. These need extra care. Once done, set the tool to automatic mask or lasso mode and run the initial remove background pass so you have a base layer to refine. Now refine the mask. Zoom to about 200% and inspect edges closely. Use the refine or edge brush to recover hair and soft transitions because automatic masks often miss fine details. Apply small feathering, try 1 to 5 pixels, and tweak contrast up to around 20% to sharpen the separation. Also toggle background color between white and dark to reveal halos or gaps. Keep alternating brush and erase tools until the subject edge looks natural. Finish by exporting the clean subject as a PNG with a transparent background. Use SVG only for vector shapes. Then test the output on several background colors to catch halos and color fringing. If you see a faint rim, slightly contract the mask or run a color decontamination pass to remove fringe. If automatic tools fail, switch to a manual pen path or apply frequency separation to reconstruct edges. That manual step solves stubborn hair and transparency issues and gets you a professional, background-free photo.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.